At this time when so many people are going hungry without food, we should not waste food at all, but that doesn't mean we should not eat healthy. Wasting food reminds me that if you have some rice which is left over, you can always convert them into rice balls by adding some fresh veggies to it or adding a little cheese for flavor. If you have some leftover veggies left, you can convert them into wraps. Just take a roti, put some nice spread, healthy spread again. You can make hummus with chickpeas and then put your veggies and top the veggies with some fresh salad, like some freshly sorted onion, tomato and capsicum, which adds freshness to the wrap, and roll it up and have it the next day. I see a lot of posts on mithais on the Facebook, and I'm sure you're enjoying them. It's good to have the mithais, but please have them in moderation. You need to stay healthy. So please be safe, stay healthy.